welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new and you like makeup, beauty, hair or hauls, then please consider subscribing. So for today's video I'm going to be reviewing the brand new Beauty Bay palette. This one is the Smoky palette. So this is what the outer packaging looks like, and then we open it up and we have this beautiful colour story here. So we have quite a few shimmers, but there are quite a few mattes in here. I'd say a bit of a 50-50 ratio. I absolutely love shades like this. I love kind of like dark grungy tones. So yeah, this one's right up my street. Yeah, we've got 7 mattes and 9 shimmers in here. So, you know, it's pretty 50-50-ish. But yeah, aren't those colours just stunning? Look at those shimmers. So I'll give it a quick swatch. So here is what the swatches look like. These colours are absolutely beautiful. Just look at those shimmers, and the mattes actually come up really nice as well. So I'm going to start off by going into the shade Castle, which is this one in the corner just here. And I'm going to pop that on the crease just here. Oh, that's really nice. Really nicely pigmented, and a beautiful shade of grey as well. Really nice kind of mid-grey. Yeah, that's beautiful, really nice. And then I'm going to take the shade Clouds, which is this pale grey, almost with a little bit of a blue undertone, and I'm going to use that to blend out the edges. Very nice. And then I'm going to take the shade Shadow, I think, which is this like dark grey here. And I'm going to use that on the outer part of my lid. Nice. Oh, that's really nice, and it's blended into that paler grey perfectly. I absolutely love those two together. Then I'm going to dip into a shimmer. So I think I'm going to take this silvery one here called Frost. I'm going to pop that on the front of my lid. Oh, that's really nice. Then what I'm going to do is just take the black, which is called Tattoo, down here, and I'm going to use that to create a bit of a kind of smoky liner. So I'm just taking a small angled brush. So just like that, the wing won't be quite as harsh afterwards, because what I tend to do when I finish my base is take my blusher, not my blusher brush, my bronzer brush, and just kind of blend it in a little bit on the corner. I'll show you that afterwards. Okay, so I'm just going to go away and do the rest of my base and some mascara as well, and I'll come back and I'll show you the corner bit that I do. Right, okay, so I've done all my base now. So normally I would do this before I do my blusher and my highlighter. I'm just dipping in with one dip into my bronzer and tapping it off and just taking it, not too heavy-handed, quite lightly, just like that. And for me, I feel that it gives a less like harsh edge. I always do this with my eyeshadow anyway, but especially if I use like a shadow liner, because it just kind of blends everything into each other. So here is the finished look, and yeah, I really like this. I knew I was going to like it anyway, to be quite honest with you, because of the colour story. It is, you know, really nice, and I love colour stories like that, like dark, grungy tones. Yeah, beautiful. The black works perfectly as a liner because it's so pigmented, and it was quite easy to do as well. Love the shimmer. The shimmer is absolutely beautiful. As always, the mattes were really easy to blend out as well. Yet no problems at all with it. So as always, I will link the palette in the description box below for you, along with any discount codes if I can find any as well. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed watching. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me. If you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future, and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!